Let's go get spaghetti! Hey guys, and welcome back to Vlogs of Frogs. So, my name's Ryan Peterson, for those of you that don't know, and today we're out here at Turkey Run. I know we're at the Parklands, but it's sometimes hard to remember exactly which one we're at. We're at Turkey Run Park. As you can see, I got goggles. My camera person here has a dope paddleboard, as you can see. And it's currently strapped to my leg, and yeah, come on. Hey guys, so right now you're probably hearing a lot of meow. Okay, it wasn't as cool. A dump truck just went by and it sounded like rah, 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 rah. But right now we out here paddleboarding. You can see me, I'm putting in that work. I'm basically like the guys from Italy that slowly paddle the canoes down. It's pretty magic, you know me. Just gonna try to stand up. You know, I don't know how people paddleboard. Olivia likes it. I don't know how people stand on this stuff. Like, I'm just shaking internally, physically, emotionally. All of it. Everything's terrifying for me. But it is absolutely gorgeous right here. This is a phenomenal body of water. There's some magical parts out here. Oh. Oh. Like that. I dropped one, but I still have one. Oh. I thought I had two snails, but in reality I had one snail and one rock. So look at this snail. It's definitely a snail. Look at it move. That's a snail. Look at that. Wow. What a slow snail. And totally a snail. And totally not a rock.
While he swims in the water, I get to just sit here, look cute. Living the dream, baby.
I found another clamshell. This one's been out here for ages. Ugh. Look at it, the algae's taking over. That's been out here so long it's even got green tints to it. Crazy. Look at that. Absolutely insane. Isn't that wild?
How are you feeling, Mr. Ryan?
All right, guys, we haven't been able to find anything except shells and rocks. Weirdly enough, we have not found any crayfish over in this area. Many crayfish species are nocturnal. Oh, but normally you can find a lot still during the day. We're out here in Louisville. Louisville actually, just a couple years ago actually has claimed their own crayfish species. It's called the Louisville crayfish. It looks the same to other crayfish species around here, but they actually figured out that genetically it is a completely different species than the rest of them. And thus only finding it here, they named it the Louisville crayfish, and it's endemic here. I don't really know how I would genetically test it, but yeah, that's about where we're at. So we're gonna paddle back to shore, and yeah, so let's get paddling. Hey guys, I'm working on my standing up. I still don't understand how Olivia likes this. I don't know why, it's just her favorite outdoor activity. I'd much rather just swim than just be the board myself, because this is too much for me. Okay, we got it. I'm just trying to joke with you guys. I'm actually a professional. I tried to catch some sunfish in my little fish net, but it didn't work. They're too fast. Saw some pretty big bass. Other than that, that's about it. So we're gonna get out because Olivia's hungry, so we're gonna get her some food, and we'll see you next time right here on Vlogs and Frogs.